I just found a one-person business that makes $300,000 per year from his website. He runs this entire business by himself and he's using a very simple website template, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to show you his website and exactly how much money he makes per month and per year. I'm also going to show you how you can build a business like this in 3 simple steps, even if you have minimal experience. I've seen thousands of business models online and this is definitely the most fascinating one I've ever seen. So let's get into it. So this is a fascinating business model, guys, and it makes $30,000 per month and $300,000 per year, and there's just one person running this business. So the business itself, the business is called Bank Statement Converter, and the purpose of this website, it basically converts PDF files into CSV files, and it's particularly aimed at accountants and small business owners. And if you look at the website, it's quite basic. There's nothing special about this website, and the main feature is to convert files for people. The owner of this website has been very transparent about how much money that he made when he started building this website. And this guy is a developer from Hong Kong. His name is Angus Chung, and on Twitter, Angus says Bank Statement Converter brought in $24,000 USD in June. Bank Statement Converter brought in $25,000 in July. Bank Statement Converter brought in $26,000 USD in August. Then he says he made $30,000 in September, $30,000 in October, $32,000 in November, and $30,000 in December. Now, in terms of the revenue, we can actually verify how much money this website is making. Now, according to Web Analysis, this website gets 95,000 visitors per month, which is a lot of visitors. Now, if we break that down, let's just say that out of those 95,000 people, 950 of those actually subscribe to this website. Now, if we look at the website, the cheapest subscription is $30 per month. So if we break it down with a very conservative 1% conversion rate, this website is easily making $28,000 per month. And taking that into consideration, it's very likely this website is making at least $342,000 per year. Now, as far as a business model, how can we create a similar website like this? And you could actually do it very simply. Step 1, build your website using Hostinger.com. This is a very beginner-friendly and affordable platform where you can create websites in minutes. Now, there's different plans that you can use. You know, you can get a cheap one here, which is around $3 per month. I recommend this one, which is about $4 per month. But anyway, sign up to the website. Now, once you're in the website, this is very beginner friendly because what you can do is literally type in your brand name, your business type, then give it a description of the kind of website that you want to create. You know, you can type in what kind of fonts you want, the colors you want, the style that you want it to be created in. If you wanted to replicate a similar website to bankstatementconverter.com, then you would keep it very simple and very plain, and also use a similar layout to this, so that way you could get similar conversion rates. So yeah, you would just type in the description of the website you want, the fonts and the colors, click create a website, and it would literally create you a beautiful website within minutes. And then once you've done that, you would move on to step 2, create your file converter widget for converting PDF files to CSV, because as we can see, the special feature on this website is converting PDF files to CSV files, which is just a little widget on the website. And you could actually create a widget like this for yourself for your website, so you can also convert PDF files to CSV files on your website. And the way you would do this is you would use a beginner friendly platform or a no-code web app builder platform such as Python, Thunkable, Glitch, Bubble, or Streamlit. Now, if you're new to development, start with a website like Thunkable to get a feel for drag and drop UI design and API interaction. And if you're comfortable with Python, Streamlit is a good choice for building the entire widget. So yeah, you can just go to a beginner-friendly, no-code web app builder website, create the widget for your website, and then once your widget is created, then you just copy and paste the code and paste that code into your website, similar to this website here. Now, once your widget is created, you need to move on to the next step, which is generate traffic for your website. Now, to do this, there's 2 ways we could do this. We can use free traffic or pay traffic. Now, in terms of free traffic, the first platform that you can start on is Twitter. Now, there's 335 million active users on Twitter every single month, so this would be a great place to start. And the person who created this website, bankstatementconverter.com, when he actually started building his website, he started by tweeting on Twitter. about his website. And as you can see, his tweets have got 25,000 views, 6.9k views, 12,000 views, 63,000 views, 54,000 views, 49,000 views, 67,000 views. So that is a lot of free traffic he was able to attract his website just by talking about his website. And no doubt this attracted a lot of visitors to his website, and some of them actually converted into users and subscribers of his website. Another good source of free traffic is Facebook groups. Now, Facebook has 3 billion monthly active users per month, so this is a great source of free traffic. Another platform is Reddit. You can also tap into free traffic on forums, and a lot of forums get millions of monthly users. So the next method of traffic is paid traffic. Now, the most obvious one, of course, is paid ads. Now, a way you could do this is just create a simple ad on Meta or Instagram, just telling people about your website. Meta ads are very cheap, so you could get a lot of traffic to your website through this way. Another method of paid traffic is shout-outs from large accounts on Instagram and YouTube. So you could essentially just pay people to shout out your website on their Instagram stories or on their YouTube channel. And if you pay large accounts to do this, you could attract a lot of traffic to your website. And the final one is newsletter promotions. Obviously, you could contact business owners and creators relating to your niche and pay them to promote you through their newsletters. Now, in terms of this website as well, there's quite a few different versions of this website targeting the American market. But what you could do, you could actually tap into international markets to increase website traffic, users, and revenue. Now, if you look here on this chart of the most populated nations on earth, the top one is India with 1.4 billion people. The second is China with 1.4 billion people. Then we've got the USA with 300 million people. If you could create paid ads and translate the language in your paid ads targeting these countries, this would drastically increase the traffic on your website, and you could also probably double, triple, even quadruple the amount of views, users, and revenue you get on that website, which could potentially make it even more profitable than this website, which is making $300,000 per month. This is definitely an interesting business model, to say the least. To think this guy is making $300,000 by himself on a website that is completely automated is very fascinating, especially considering he only has 13 subscribers on YouTube, 4,000 followers on Twitter. It is a very fascinating business model, to say the least. Do you think you could recreate a business like this? And just imagine if you could have an automated business like this. Would you like a business like this? And can you imagine making $30,000 per month, 300 grand per year from a simple website like this? But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. But let me know what you think about these case study style videos. Do you like these kinds of videos? I am interested in these types of videos because I do like looking at different business models and breaking them down and then sharing them with you guys so you can get more ideas for your own online businesses. But anyway, if you enjoyed the content, please consider liking this video and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.